Okay guys, I just wanted to film for you a quick video to show you all of the muscles that are a bit more clear this time. I have dissected this cat myself. So starting off with the muscles of the head. This muscle right here, this is the sternomastoid. Okay, we're coming from the sternum and heading up to the mastoid, sternomastoid. Okay, a muscle that is hidden just underneath it is the sternohyoid. So this guy right here is the sternohyoid. We're coming from the sternum and headed straight to the hyoid. Okay, so those are the two muscles of the head. The muscles, the pectoral muscles are as follows. Let's start more ventral. This guy right here is the xiphi humerales. Moving up, we then have the pectoralis minor. One more move up, we have the pectoralis major. Remember, in the cat, the minor is bigger than the major. Moving up one more time, we then have the pecto antebrachialis, which is coming from the sternum and going straight into the elbow. Moving on to our trapezius and deltoid muscles, we first start with the clavodeltoid muscle, which is just north of the pecto antebrachialis. So this is our clavodeltoid. Okay, this muscle is coming from the elbow and it's joining up with our clavotrapezius muscle, which this guy, so here's our clavodeltoid meeting up with our clavotrapezius, this triangular shaped muscle on the neck. This is our clavotrapezius. Okay, our acromiotrapezius is this triangular shaped muscle right here. It's this guy right here. This shoots down into the acromiodeltoid, which is this muscle right here. Next to the acromiodeltoid, we have the spinodeltoid, which is this muscle right here. The spinodeltoid leads into the spinotrapezius muscle, which is this guy, this triangular shaped guy right here. Okay. Next to the trapezius muscles, we have the latissimus dorsi, which is this triangular shaped muscle on the back here. Okay. Moving to the deeper structures in the arm. On the inside of the scapula, we have our subscapularis. Then we have our fan-shaped muscle, which is called the serratus ventralis. And then we have this straight longitudinal running muscle called the scalanes. Flipping the cat over. All right. These two muscles right here that run the length of the back are called the splenius. Okay. This muscle right here is called the rhomboideus. And then this muscle over here is called the supraspinatus. And then finally, the abdominal muscles. This cat did have 3 layers, so I want to show you this. So remember, we first of all find our linea alba, which is that white line right down the middle of the cat. Okay, right underneath this white fibrous sheet on either side of the linea alba is our rectus abdominis muscle. Okay, so if I lift up this tissue, the rectus abdominis muscle extends just 1 inch on either side of the linea alba, and it has straight running muscle fibers. The rectus abdominis is the only muscle to have in the abdominal wall to have straight running muscle fibers. Okay, so the layers of our abdominal wall are as follows. We have the external oblique with diagonal running muscle fibers. We then have the internal oblique, also with diagonal running muscle fibers, but they're going in the opposite direction. And then if we reflect that, we'll find our transverse abdominis, also with diagonal running muscle fibers. All right, and that's everything.